Quarters, we're going to be industrializing this factory, installing the equipment, and preparing for high-volume production. First units are set to be on the line by the end of this year, and we'll be ramping the factory throughout 2026. The Tesla Semi is designed to be directly swapped in for diesel trucks without having to compromise. This is an instrumental product in helping advance Tesla's mission. There's a lot of exciting stuff coming through the next year.
It's been quite a while since we've seen any new footage of the Tesla Semi. The vehicle was first revealed nearly 8 years ago, and early deliveries started close to 3 years back. Since then, updates have been scarce. The most recent video we've had is from 2 years ago. Delays have been ongoing, caused by multiple factors. Many point to the Cybertruck as a key distraction, as Elon Musk has been prioritizing that project. As a result, several other initiatives, including the Semi, have seen slowed progress. Another major hurdle has been the lack of Megacharger infrastructure. Tesla's factory in Nevada isn't yet ready for full-scale semi-production, and battery supply challenges persist. There are also probably internal reasons we're not aware of. Still, the good news is the Semi is staging a return, and it's poised to shake up the U.S. freight market. This is the first electric Class 8 truck with the capability to seriously challenge diesel rigs. It's cheaper to operate and significantly more efficient. In this episode, we'll break down the latest Tesla Semi developments straight from Dan Priestley's presentation at the ACT Expo, one of the leading clean transport conferences where the Semi was a headline feature. As we've mentioned in the past, trucking is facing a severe labor shortage. The job is physically demanding and often unsafe, with long hours, sleep deprivation, and non-stop road fatigue. Combine that with the constant engine and wind noise, and it's not hard to see why people are leaving. Tesla believes the Semi is a real solution to these issues, promising a much better driving experience. Dan Priestley emphasized that Tesla is full speed ahead with the Semi program, and their customers are too. The companies placing orders understand that electrification provides the lowest total cost of ownership in the freight industry. That said, Priestley acknowledged that this shift isn't simple. It demands serious commitment from both Tesla and its partners. Tesla must boost production and expand charging infrastructure, while fleet operators need to scale up and fully commit to electric logistics. Tesla is building a new facility in Nevada dedicated to the Semi. Once fully operational, it's expected to produce up to 50,000 units a year in a space covering 1.7 million square feet. The building's exterior is complete, and Tesla is preparing to install equipment and production lines throughout the rest of the year, with full ramp-up expected in 2026. Priestley shared that the Semi is undergoing major upgrades. Thanks to operational feedback, Tesla is improving the truck's design and performance. Updates include a redesigned mirror system, improved aerodynamics, a drop glass feature, and better driver visibility, especially useful in ports and logistics hubs. The Semi's design has always focused on low drag. Inspired by Japanese bullet trains, Tesla engineered the vehicle to be exceptionally aerodynamic, with a drag coefficient around 0.36, far lower than the 0.5 to 0.8 typical for diesel trucks. Design elements like a rounded front, flat underbody, covered wheels, and digital mirrors all contribute. Despite these gains, veteran drivers have criticized the digital mirror system for reducing depth perception and raising concerns about system failures. The center driving position has also been seen as limiting side visibility in tight spaces. Tesla is responding with redesigned mirrors and side windows to improve practicality and safety. Another key update is a brand new battery known as the HV Pack. It's built using Tesla's latest tech, cheaper to produce, and, thanks to greater efficiency, delivers the same range with less energy storage. Tesla claims more than a 7% increase in efficiency, which helps reduce vehicle weight and cost. The Semi will also be equipped with a megawatt-class charging port, capable of charging at over 1 megawatt, 10x faster than Tesla's V3 superchargers. This allows it to recharge 350 miles of range in just 30 minutes, crucial for minimizing downtime. Tesla's EPTO electric power takeoff system is another game changer, enabling the Semi to power equipment like refrigerated trailers, compressors, and hydraulics using electricity instead of diesel. It supports AC and DC outputs with peak power above 25 kilowatts. A next-gen charger built on Tesla's V4 hardware is in the works as well. It's designed for flexibility and efficiency, capable of powering up to 8 charging stalls while cutting down on the physical footprint of charging stations by more than half. The Semi stands out not just for its looks, but for how smoothly it moves on the road. It's quiet, powerful, and responsive, thanks to its 3 independent rear motors. The test fleet has now logged over 7.9 million miles, with 26 trucks crossing the 100,000-mile mark. PepsiCo and Frito-Lay have praised its performance, noting long driving days, including 1,000-mile shifts. The truck's drivetrain operates at 85 to 90% efficiency, far surpassing the 20 to 30% range of diesel trucks, largely due to reduced heat and friction losses. Tesla's Semi program is backed by the same engineering team behind its high-uptime supercharger network, which operates at over 99.95% availability. That same focus on reliability is being brought to electric freight. Tesla is also developing overnight charging options for fleets and investing in a dedicated semi-public charging network. Currently, 46 sites are in development across the U.S., with more coming in 2026 and 2027. These are being strategically placed along key freight routes. With production scaling and infrastructure expanding, Tesla aims to offer fleet operators the lowest energy costs possible, helping drive electric freight adoption. 2026 looks like it could be the year the Tesla Semi really takes off, while 2025 may focus more on FSD and robo-taxi projects. Priestley noted that Tesla has already hired over 1,000 workers in Nevada to help meet Semi demand. Meanwhile, production of the Cybertruck RWD is ramping up at Giga Texas. Drone footage from observers shows a growing number of long-range RWD units, identifiable by the lack of tunnel covers. Priced at $69,990, this trim offers 350 miles of range and 147 miles of charging in just 15 minutes. Cost savings are evident throughout: fabric seats, simpler dash, no rear screen, and no active suspension. Looking ahead, Tesla is expected to launch a budget Model Y variant, codenamed E80, from Giga Shanghai. Reports suggest it will feature a smaller battery, 50 to 55 kilowatt-hours, fewer interior features, and a price between $26,000 and $28,800. Despite these cuts, the core appeal of the Model Y could still hold strong. Though 2025 may have started slowly, Tesla has several major launches and updates lined up. These include the deployment of thousands of Optimus robots and potential rollout of the Cybercab by mid-year. Full self-driving continues to evolve, and new Gigafactories are scaling up operations. Lowering freight costs with the Semi could benefit both businesses and consumers. Even with delays, it remains a critical piece of Tesla's ecosystem. If Tesla hits its target of producing 50,000 units per year by 2026, the Semi could be transformative, cutting emissions, reducing costs, and pushing the industry toward a cleaner future. What do you think? Can Tesla hit its Semi production targets? And what would convince you the Semi is the best bet for logistics?